What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. My face is red because I just got done.
Welcome back to my channel.
So,
Like a Hellcat.
I was doing makeup with her and it involves blood. Now my face is like red.
Yeah, my whole chest is red. You can't see that because I changed my shirt, but
And our hands
it's
are wet
messy.
too. Our hands are wet too. We have so much blood on ourselves. But we're gonna go clean my car at midnight. There's a bead on my makeup on my eye.
Not midnight yet.
It's got 1 more hour until midnight.
fine.
We're gonna spend hours doing this.
Yeah, we're just gonna do it now.
I'm gonna get some shoes on. What do you say? What did Dylan say?
He didn't catch me. Jonathan did.
How many trash bags do you think we need?
17.
For the whole box. Got some trash bags. These trash bags are kind of big. So, probably only need 3.
Hey, we busted it.
Where's my jacket? There it is.
This is for Dylan.
Maybe you want me to put on you?
Oh, zoom in.
No.
This is for Dylan.
Go.
Dylan. That's for you. Oh yeah, so much blood. Hey, brother. I'm stealing your ID. Wallet.
Stupid.
I stole his soap.
I ate that in my mouth.
Oh, the bugs. I ate that in my mouth. What else do you eat it with?
You don't even know what I did, do you?
It's my soap now.
They're crazy. Okay, we gotta go clean my car right now.
Found it.
Get that sunflower seed wrapper.
Where do you see that at?
In the front seat.
No, I eat that.
Okay.
Oh, no, I eat that. Okay, well,
I need a snack so not when I'm driving.
I think we just need 2 for Bree's car.
how's the front seat doing, though?
I have Cheetos.
Okay, we have trash up here, Kaya.
Get in there.
Why am I only doing the work? What are you here for?
The light.
This bitch sucks.
Okay.
What the hell is the right about?
They really gonna charge our phone.
In other words, she ain't coming back out. Oh, well. You got a little compartment that you put your car sauces in? Because I do. Literally. I put my car sauces like this.
Oh, the door.
Oh, look at the door. Oh, what the fuck is that? Like, oh, it's a washcloth. I thought it was a chicken strip.
Oh, what?
Oh my. Oh, hell no.
Hey, that's the way aside. She wants.
Well, I don't want to touch Soraya nasties. I'm gonna get Soraya germs all over me.
Oh my god, this side is worse.
There's sunflower seeds all over here. Literally, all over.
Oh, we got Starbucks straw.
Okay.
Got some
We
Cheetos.
just take this out, shake it out, then we cover everything underneath of it. Wow, like new.
Exactly.
Oh, she's back.
Oh,
Girl.
hi.
Hi, girl.
What else we find?
Hey, girl. You need
Any
to
more
You need
books?
to take your
We get-
sunflower seeds out.
We're getting.
There's a fucking Cheeto puff.
She fucking left those in there for months.
Because I dropped them everywhere. I didn't want to pick it up.
Those sunflower seeds aren't from me. They're from when she threw them at
Wait, I found a Subway's card.
Those are the sunflower seeds from when she fucking.
No, look in the door, girlfriend.
Those aren't from me. I
That's
threw
your
them out
size,
the window.
Soraya.
I threw them out the window. Those are from me.
Bet.
Okay, what do we Oh my god, look, you can even see her on the camera because she's so white.
Stop.
Look at her Crocs. You can't see anything but her Crocs.
Still take a video with the
There you
flash
go.
on.
I got it. Your blood.
Stop. But I seriously went, hey.
Are you ready, Porter?
For what?
To go back. I'm tired.
We're not done yet.
I have to work.
Look at
We
her
gotta go
pajama pants.
Stop. We gotta go
Damn
spooky
Crocs.
hunting.
What?
We gotta go spooky hunting for
Tonight?
the spooksters.
Tonight, let's go.
I really wish we could.
Can we go?
Because y'all ain't scared of Humble Park.
David
Keelan
bought a
is.
motorcycle today.
I did.
Yeah, we saw on
I know, I
Snapchat.
saw your story. Let's go find spooky things.
We should put
I already found a crack addict.
CB's finest.
we should put like scary makeup on too.
She's the most functional crack addict.
I still have that mask on.
My ass. She still crashes after 2 weeks.
I'm gonna go
of
get
being
it.
in the car.
Let's walk around this
Someone's
mask.
right there. Hey!
Shut up.
He's gonna dive.
Connie! Stop it!
Why didn't you do it?
Stop.
Returned it.
No, dropped it.
Was Rachel Petra?
You stepped in the blood.
And she's wiping it on the red car.
I am.
She wiped blood on my pants earlier.
It's red.
If Rachel sees this.
If Rachel sees this, she's gonna kill you.
No, she won't. She won't care.
Hello, Rachel.
Sorry, Rachel.
Sorry, Heather. Look who's with her. Oh my god.
It's an actual movie, a musical, and I love that.
Get short. There's a hole right here. You can see something.
She's watching something and
Right there.
Tiny.
It's scary.
your mom's awake.
You want me to hit it?
Yeah, that's the only thing that's
Her finger up like this.
the only thing that's
Taylor, your mom's awake.
I know.
Rachel.
She's not here. She won't call up.
Are you gonna call her?
My flash is still on. I said turn it off. Alright, well, we're back inside. Thank you guys so much for watching. My Instagram is down below. Please follow me on Instagram. And please follow Adam on Instagram too. It's also down below. And his channel is also down below. So please subscribe to him. And I'll see you guys all next time. Bye.
Like a Hellcat.